Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever posted something on eBay but later decided you don't want it up anymore, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through how to end a listing on eBay step by step. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you're logged into your eBay account. You can sign in with your email, username, or even by continuing with Google, Facebook, or Apple. If you don't have an account yet, eBay makes it easy to set one up. You'll just need to choose whether you want a personal or business account, enter your legal name, email, and password, or sign up with one of the quick login options. Once you're signed in, head to the top right corner of the page and click on My eBay. Hover over the selling section and you'll be taken to your seller dashboard. Now, here's what you need to know. Can be ended at any time. Auction style listings, however, have a few rules and they can only be ended early under certain conditions. Inside your dashboard, you'll see your active, sold, and unsold listings. To end a listing, find the item you want to remove, click on it, and you'll see an end listing button in the upper right corner. One quick click and it's done. This process works the same way whether the listing is active, sold, or unsold. If you've got draft items sitting around that you don't plan to use, you can either resume them or delete them completely. As ending an active listing. It's a way to clear things out so only the items you want remain visible. Now, sometimes sellers run into issues. Maybe the button doesn't show up, or you're not sure why you can't end an auction. In that case, scroll to the top of the page and click on Help and Contact. eBay has detailed guides that explain when you're allowed to end auctions early and how to fix any errors if you get stuck. And that's it. Ending a listing on eBay is simple once you know where to look. Thanks so much for watching this guide. If you found it helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more eBay tips, and let me know in the comments if you'd like me to cover other selling tutorials. Good luck with your eBay sales, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy eBaying!